garden. You see the corn, pepper plants, tomatoes all in full bloom. Got some tomatoes on the vine. There's some tomatoes up under there. Yeah, I'm getting a little late start. I got to weed out that okra there. It's starting to grow a little bit, but had a little storm yesterday. The corn got blown over some. Here we go, coming along. Some said you wanted to get a update on my garden. There you go. The other day when I was getting ready to plow a till, I had a watermelon volunteer in this pathway here. I moved it over here and it's actually grabbing hold. Yeah, I hope it's that cinnamon sweet or something like that. Anyway, here we go. Hey guys, this is Phil in Florence. That's Florence, South Carolina, where I-95 and I-20 intersect. Hey, it's hot as Hades in South Carolina and probably most of the South. It's still May. Well, we're in June now, barely. But you'll see me wiping sweat. Eyebrows, forehead, it's hot. It's been 100 degrees here a good bit in the last week. It's been so hot I saw two trees fighting over the same dog. Today is Saturday night, so to speak, and I'm going to be doing our usual Saturday night steak. You know, there are 20 different ways to do steak, your favorite way, or a particular way. You can use different methods, processes, and different equipment, different cookers. But today, let me show you how I'm going to do. You who don't know this grilling equipment, you may be a newbie. You're new to the pit cooking outside. What we've got here today is the Weber Smokey Mountain. It's a smoker generally. And over here, we've got an accessory that comes from Gabby's Grills. It's called a Santa Maria grill accessory. And so I'm going to take the middle and top section off of this smoker here, and this Santa Maria grill accessory is made to fit right on top either the base of the Weber Smokey Mountain or the Weber Kettle or any other cook pot you have, fire pot that's about 21 inches in diameter or thereabouts. That'll sit on. It's got an angle iron that gives you some play there. But anyway, let me show you how I'm going to do that. Alright, what I got to do first is take the midsection and the lid off of this cooker here. So that's when it's good to have handles, or I just have to break it apart and take the lid off first. But since I have handles, I can grab all of it at one time. You got to have a good back though. You keep your back straight, bend your knees, and don't trip over the chimney of charcoal while you're walking over there with it. So take this Santa Maria grill extension or accessory and just set it right there. There we go. That right there is one great accessory for a Kettle or Weber Smokey Mountain. What you do is you put a chimney or start a fire in general in the base, the bottom. I usually use a chimney full of charcoal. Get your fire going or your coals red hot, and then put some wood on it. And you're going to be cooking with wood, hardwood. And then you can adjust this grate level up and down. So you start out kind of high when your fire's hot, and then you lower it down until the flames off the wood are kissing the bottom of the thing. I'm going to do is get my charcoal lit in my chimney, let it come up and get red hot, dump it in the base of this Weber Smokey Mountain. Then I'm going to put my wood on it. And I'll take you inside and show you how I prepared them and what I've done. Here are my steaks. We went to Sam's this morning. We bought 3 1.2 pound ribeyes, and they look very nice. I've already salt and peppered them. Put some Mr. Yoshida's on each one, salt and pepper. And we've got 5 ears of corn here. It's fresh corn, but it's not local corn. It's not my corn yet. I'm gonna try something a little different today. I've done corn on the grill plenty of times over the years. I've done it out of the shuck, I've done it in the shuck, I've done it with just one layer of shuck. But what I haven't tried, I don't think, is take the full ear of corn and pull the shuck down to the base, just like that. You don't have to do it this way. I just like trying different things, new things. You know what I mean? And taking the butter right out the fridge, cold. It's still cold. And this butter's hard, cold hard, and the corn is raw hard. So this butter, you see how it comes off on the kernels? I do waffles like that sometime when I put my waffle in the toaster oven. It's crunchy and hard, crusted, and I'll take cold butter and rake down and it'll come off inside those squares. You know, it's just something I do. I thought I'd try that on the corn. So let's just, don't push on it so hard you snap the corn cob. Just rake it down and it's coming off real nice. So nice and thick, heavy, butter all around. Then I'm going to take the salt. Yes, oh yes, much better. We're going to roll this shuck back up. Since it's going to be laying flat, we won't need to try to bind it or anything. It'll just lay just like that right on the grill. And if you need to clean it up or pull any of these, you know, pieces off that are hanging everywhere loose, you can do that. And there we go. That's one. Got 4 more to go. Hang with me. I'll be right back. Very organized. Get some of this old dry wood. Don't take much to get that going. I'll get back with you in just a little bit. Stay with me. We're going to put steak on in just a minute. We go. We're just getting started. I got my timer going just so I can keep up with how long it took. I got the windlass up all the way. There's a little look. Real pit cooked steak and corn in action. Hey, like that shot. Everything looks good. It's died down a little bit. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to flip everything over, turn these steaks over. Oh, those are pretty. Very pretty color. Oh, yeah. Very pretty color. I'll get you up here close in a minute. Don't you roll off with that, boy. A little bit of this Mr. Yoshida on meat. We're done with that. Let everybody sit right there. and get happy. I want to show you a close-up of the steak when I turned it. It's really pretty color. Hold on a minute. Color of the steak, I just turned it for the first time. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful color. Let me get a picture of that. Okay guys, just giving you a little report. I just turned the steaks over, put a little more Mr. Yoshida's on it, what I had in the pan. And the internal, I've just checked the internal with my Thermopop, and all three steaks were reading 106 internal temperature. So it doesn't take long. There's good heat coming up off of that fire. Can you believe it? I talked about how hot it was here in the south, and I'm out here building fires, working around them. But today, luckily right now, it's 86 degrees. We had a nicer day today. It's 10 and 12 degrees cooler than it has been running. It's been over 100 degrees several times. So it's hard to get out here and cook long cooks. You have to figure out things you can do that's not but, you know, an hour long tops, and that you can do hot and fast, grill, whatever, and get back in that air conditioner. Okay guys, it's time for a taste test, and it didn't take long. I mean, it took about 25 minutes tops to do the whole thing. And I left the corn on there, and I'll show you that in just a minute, what that turned out like. And so we're gonna go down and I'm gonna show you the steak. Let's see, they should be all about the same. Let's just cut this one. Now this camera, and it's a little dark, it's getting dark, but sun's going down. That's about right now it looks medium, but it's kind of hard to tell in this dark porch. We're out on the porch. It's normally we like ours medium rare, but it tempted at around 140, so I guess I did get to the medium rare. I'm gonna cut this one to see if they all cook the same. I'm just curious. Yep, they all cooked about the same. They're medium. Oh well. That was on me. I'm usually doing them reverse sear, and I'll have a little more control over it that way, but I should have taken, well, see, next time I'll know to take them up a little earlier. But let's taste it. It looks delicious. Look delicious. Alright, let's go in for this taste. Ooh. That's good, y'all. You know what? I don't care how you do ribeyes. Everybody's got their own way, but you put it over charcoal, it doesn't matter just about how you do it. It's going to taste good. That is a good tasting steak. We've got salt, pepper, and Mr. Yoshida's. That's it. And cooked over a nice hot grill and a pit fire with wood. It's got a wonderful flavor. I bet my camera lady would like to have a taste of this.
I bet I would.
Give my camera lady a little bite.
Very
Think
good.
that'll eat?
Oh
Think that'll eat right there?
Oh
yeah. Here's the corn. It was on about 35 minutes. I'm getting ready to take it up, and we're going to check it out. Hold on. There you have it. We're getting ready to eat pit cooked open fire ribeye steak on the Santa Maria grill. Accessory on the base of the Weber Smokey Mountain. Baked potatoes and that corn. Gonna be good. Thank you for coming along and watching me cook today. See what I had going on. Come back again next week and we'll have something different. Altogether different. So until next time, this is Phil and Florence.
Janet and Florence.
That's right.
Bye.
We'll see you.